Craving unlimited samgyupsal? Look no further than Gogi Money Buffet and Korean Barbecue in Makati. Actually, they offer a 24/7 unlimited buffet. Perfect for satisfying your Korean barbecue cravings anytime. For only 549 pesos for lunch and 599 pesos for dinner. Mananawa ka sa dami ng food na pwede mong kainin. Well, actually, here's what you can expect at Gogi Money. A wide variety of meats. They don't just have samgyupsal or pork belly. You can also grill your fill of beef, chicken, and seafood. Pwede kahit ilang kilo pa ang kaya mong kainin. Basta't mauubos mo, ha? And also, they have unlimited side dishes and banchan. Korean barbecue is all about variety. And Gogi Money offers a wide selection of delicious side dishes and banchan or Korean appetizers to complement your grilled meats. At only drinks din, ha? My gosh, grabe, mabubusog ka talaga. O diba, side dishes pa lang yan. Kaya hinay-hinay lang muna, ha? Baka mabusog ka na agad. Pero dapat kumuha lang na ayon sa kaya mong ubusin, ha? Kasi may fin 200 pesos kapag may leftover. Pwede naman kayong bumalik-balik. And for the ambience, they have a relaxing and casual ambience. The restaurant is well lit and has a good ventilation system to keep the smoke at bay. And also, Gogi Money offers a casual and relaxed dining experience. It's a great place to catch up with friends and family over a delicious and satisfying Korean barbecue meal. So punta na kayo sa Makati at mag-dine in na sa Gogi Money.